Now we're going to talk about loops in Elixir. Elixir, being a functional programming language, doesn't have traditional loop constructs like for or while. Instead, we rely on recursion and the Enum module to achieve looping behavior. Let's start with recursion in Elixir. In Elixir, recursion allows us to achieve looping behavior by calling a function within itself. In this example, we define a module named loops and a function countdown that takes a parameter n. The countdown function prints the value of n using io_puts 1. It then calls countdown recursively, passing n-1 as the argument. The recursive call continues until the base case, where n becomes less than 0 and the function terminates. Moving on, let's explore the enum module in Elixir. The enum module in Elixir provides a set of functions to work with enumerable data structures. In this example, we have a list of data with values 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We use the enum.each2 function to iterate over each element in the data. Inside the function, we use an anonymous function to print each element using io_puts 1. Then let's also run the other one because I forgot. And lastly, let's explore transformations using the enum module. The enum module provides functions to transform enumerable data structures. In this example, we have a list called data with values 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We use the enum.map2 function to apply a transformation to each element in data. Inside the function, we can use an anonymous function to double each element by multiplying it by 2. The transform list is assigned to double data. And that concludes our exploration of loops in Elixir through recursion and the enum module. Recursion allows us to achieve looping behavior by calling a function within itself, while the enum module provides powerful functions for iteration and transformation of enumerable data structures.